Hi, I'm Liz Dedden. Let's have a look at some examples of the commutative law. So with adding and subtracting, the rule is that the order in which you do it doesn't matter. Now there's one little note that we've got to remember, is when I talk about this minus here, that minus belongs with the 12. So I need to keep that with the number that comes after. And as long as I remember that, the rule is always going to work. So what it means is that if I did 5 plus 3, that would be the same as me doing 3 plus 5. The order in which I add those two numbers is still going to give me 8, whichever way I do it. Okay, so I could write that same expression as 3 plus 5 plus 8 take away 12. I could also write that as 8 minus 12 plus 5 plus 3. So there's lots of variations that I could do for this one because the answer is going to work out to be the same. So then what I can do is say, alright, let's do this bit. Let's do the 5 plus 3. That's a nice piece to do. Well, I know 5 plus 3 is 8. So then I can do 8 take away 12 plus 8. And 8 plus 8 will give me 16. And 16 take away 12 is 4, and that's my answer, and I'll get to the same answer no matter which things I add or subtract first. This one here, same with when I have multiplication. The order in which I multiply doesn't matter. So 5 times 3 times 2 is the same as 2 times 3 times 5, or it's the same as 3 times 5 times 2, or 5 times 2 times 3. So the order in which I'm multiplying doesn't matter at all. So if I just do this last one, 10 times 5, or 5 times 10, 5 times 2 is 10, and then 10 times 3 is 30. And I'll get to that answer 30 no matter which order I do it in.